open.
No. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Babiyahe na kami papuntang Gold Coast, par. Wow. Punta ka namin Gold Coast, par. Ito na sa airplane. Nakapag-check-in na kami. Ito na yung mga chikiting. Ando pa sila. Wala nang pila. Meron balita ng isang araw. Sabi, ang haba doon ng pila dito. Manually doon nila chine-check kasi yung mga boarding pass, par. Pero ngayon, okay na. May isang araw kasi kahapon pa. Tumawag sila sa akin, sabi, uy, di ba lilipad ka na? Pasensya na, mahaba pila ngayon, par. Sabi ko, uy, ano ka ba? Ano ka pa sa Sabado pa ako? Maayos yun pa yan bago ako umalis. Sabi ko, kaya mag-alala, okay lang yan, par. Hala, parang kailangan natin bumili ng ganyan. Ng ganyan lang. Ha?
Sa liwanag.
Ano yun?
Ay, umasin.
Ah.
602 Perth. If you are in the terminal area, can you please order beach?
Actually, ngayon pa lang sa talagang may nasubukan naman ni Papa magkanta. So dati, crazy for Pwede naman sila.
Papakain natin kayo dito po.
Yeah, it's so good, thank you. You want to try? Maybe it's a top try. Alam mo, nagsubok ako ng gantong dito. Nagreklamo sila lahat. Sila, Colin nun, sabi nila. Kaya naman, we can get used to it.
Hindi na kailangan matataon.
Mainit, ma'am.
Parang luwas pa.
Mukha lang. Akala ko, dalawa na pala yung cup.
Dalawa yun.
Dalawa na. Ang black kasi. Pala hindi ko masyado sabihin.
Diyan kasi naglatas. Yes. Ayun yung airplane.
Ayan sila. Kitang-kita si Camille. Kitang-kita si Camille. Lakit yan. Natakpan na siya ngayon.
Tinatawagan ng bebe? Ha? Onat? Gusto mo ng onat? Ayun lang sa'yo. Ayun na sa'yo.
Ano nangyari sa inyo? Ha? Bakit? Pina-check-in. Ano?
Try, buy, just buy.
Like mommy.
Yummy. You like it? Kami. You like it with salt?
Hindi siya, sealable.
Ay, ganun. So, pagka ano na, tapos na siya.
Ay, sealable. Tama. Lagyan ka naman. Pop.
Pizza tayo.
Yummy with salt, right?
Pizza tayo.
Say, approve.
I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our business class guests, our Velocity members and guests from our international airline partners. If you happen to be travelling with a portable power bank, Virgin Australia are conducting a review on the carriage of portable power banks. So if you do have one on board this morning with you and it happens
Pag-Gold Coast na kami. 2 hours and a half yung flight. Medyo katagal.
Flight Deck First Officer Matthew Van Lockenberg. Your crew in the cabin up the front, take a look now everybody. Up the front we've got the gorgeous Josh, it's his first day on the job. In the middle there is the gorgeous Izumi. Towards the rear is Dolph. My name is Linda and I'm absolutely gorgeous. Your jacket has a light.
So sana punuin yung reels ko sa ano, Instagram.
Their life jackets will be
Hindi,
distributed by your
wala akong nagawa eh. Puro landscaping.
Our crew will now point out the emergency exits. There are 2 doors at the front, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors at the rear of the cabin. Check where your nearest exits are now, and remember they may be behind you. Our crew are also now showing you the escape path lighting that will help guide you to the exits. And if we need to evacuate, leave everything on board.
Qatar?
All bags
Oo nga,
are under
Qatar.
the seat in front of you. If your seat has a leg rest or device holder, ensure they are stowed and all devices are unplugged. The crew are here to keep you safe, so follow their instructions as well as all illuminated.
Tatay ba yung may bag? Sa taas. Ay, sa taas. Pagbaba mo yun. Sa taas.
to the Gold Coast. Virgin Australia acknowledges the traditional owners of the land to which we fly and pay our respects to elders, past and present. The local time is just reaching 11:05 and we'll be getting into the gate shortly. For everyone's safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, keeping the aisles and exits clear until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Remember to take care when you open the lockers above you and make sure you're taking everything with you before you leave.
Mau. Here. So, mag-escalator elevator. Gaya naman.
Hoy!
That one. That's the electric bottle.
Magubad na kayo, mainit na. Wala na kayo sa Adelaide.
Oh, look so cute.
Wala sila na outfit. Basket na.
Who'd you fly with? Virgin. What's your nationality? Filipino. Been before? So, what? She put in my house in Australia from in Adelaide, but they have a bait ball and all the sharks come into the feeding. you want to come for a family holiday, just
Mamo, ang Australia sobrang laki. Pangalan So, ano po sa siguro?
Continent to ah.
Volco
May
Hotel.
Hindi kasi.
Voco Hotel.
Voco Hotel, IHG Surfers para. Parang may ano yan.
Alam mo na.
Papasayahin ka.
Nice. Bye. Pabalik na naman kami sa Queenstown. This is our hometown.
Paano kaya kung gawin natin bawat labas magbaon ng kanin?
Pwede naman.
Oo, naman maganda.
Alin?
sinakyan nun? Ano sinakyan nun? Baka mahulog ha. Naku, katabi pa naman ng simento yan. Ay, putrefes. Ay! Shh, tika.
Sa beach na naman tayo. Hindi pa kami mapag-check-in kasi nga hindi pa check-in. So naglalakad-lakad na kami. Ano ko yung pagkain kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Tapos dehydrated pa kami lahat. Tama ba yun? Nahihilo-hilo na ako. Parang ako nagkakaroon ng vertigo. Just kidding. Pag vloggers ka na, di mo hawakan na. Saan ako nakahawak?
Putla na kami sa gutom. Guys, makakailan. Nagugutom na kami. Ayun yung Sky Point. Sila. Ilaw. Kailangan mo lang
Ha?
sunglasses.
Ganda ng weather dito. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Yung tipong pagka nag-beach ka na, pag sumulong ka na sa tubig, ang sarap-sarap na. Mainit siya. Pero hindi siya Alice Springs heat. Hindi siya malamig. Solid na solid kapag ka lumusong talaga. Dapat pala na gano'n na ako. Mag-swimming na ako agad. Sana lulu. My baby. My baby boy. Bakit ba dito nakatapat? Eh, nandun yung beach. Yan. Yan ang beach par. So, maganda yung baby Ignis. Yung beach doon, oh. Oh, par. Napakasarap ng amoy. Ito kami. Sa bakso namin. Talagang puro beach. Talagang puro beach kami. I'm natanggalin. Mainit pero ano talaga siya, pang beach weather talaga. Napakasarap talaga pag nandun na ano ka ng tubig. Lulusong ka na doon. Italian niya. Italian yan. Parang fish and chips na.
Tsaka pamilya ka.
Nasa Italian siya eh. Yan o. na kami. Hindi pa kami naglalakad. I'm so hungry, bro. So Mamu picked chicken. The chicken sneaky si Mamu. And I grabbed chicken sneaky si Mamu. And I grabbed fish and chips for you. Well, for you and for me. And then I got chicken linguine. So we have to share. We got two food items. Whichever one you like best. Sinusubukan ko na kasi magsalita sa ito. Kasi lagi na lang. My baby fell asleep on the way here. Thanks, man. Sa atin yan. Mamo, pakita mo ang sa'yo. Boy, ingat ka dyan, boy, ah. Kamalaglag-laglag dyan. This is Mamu's room. Sige, baby.
Sige ko muna.
Wow. Wow, ang dami. Ano, for the kids.
Nice. Ba't dalawa kasama ko?
Ala, may pangalan ka, ang lupit. Wow. It's the same room, but we just pick one bed.
Stay in the second lane from the left.
Ilo. Spell minion.
Ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko. Let's go! Oh, lager na. Di ba, may pinabata tayo city na isip natin yung kain natin so far ito. I can so the Gold Coast is fine, kind of na. It is old. Kato nga sarap na. It's kind of
Lakad ka, lakad.
sort of serious. Kuha kayo ng malupit na set, ha? Careful. Cutter. Oh, hold daddy's hand so you can walk. Hold daddy's hand. Hey, hold daddy's hand first. Bigyan kami ng on the house na meal. So, napakasarap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's so crazy. Hmm? You just want the balloons, huh? You're so silly. Pinay ka sa mahilig sa ganito.
Sit down there. Just sit down there so you can walk.
Oh my God.
Pinoy po ba may ari nito?
Hindi po. Yung isa Indian, yung isa half Egyptian.
Sa ano din po? Puro Pinoy. Sawa pa yung isa pa.
Paano tayo, ano? Paano tayo? Dalawa pa kami. Isawa, last oyster.
We're home. We're just back in our hotel. Alright, we're just gonna quickly wrap this up. What's up?